So what's going on, YouTube world? Zay&Empress, y'all know coming at y'all with another video, man. Y'all already know, gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding. You know, first we give thanks and praise for life. You know, I'm here with my beautiful Empress, Keshayla. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, you know, want to say a couple of hey, you know. Hey. What's going on? Yeah, so pretty much what we out here doing, we connecting, you know. We connecting with nature, we getting that good energy back here, and of course, health is your wealth. So we're going to show y'all today just some of our works and everything in the garden. You know, we're going to get it in. So let's get started. Yeah, so this is what I got right now. I got the container. I got some mushroom compost, got some garden soil. Now y'all can plant in clay soil, but just know that the drainage on clay soil is not the best. So you need oxygen. So I'm going to go ahead and get these soils. I'm going to mix them in here, and then I'm going to lay it on top of the beds that I already have, so that when the plants come up, their root systems will actually extend a little easier, and the plants will grow taller. All right, family, so this is the mushroom compost. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Go ahead, pour it in. Yeah, some of that black gold, you know? You want that dark soil, just like melanin, right? All right. So, what we got going, this is the garden soil. Pour that just like that. All right. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and mix that thing up. You can get mixed in. All right, so we got everything mixed up, you know?
Yep, we ready to go.
All right, so this is what we got right now. These are the beds right here. So I actually just did this one, but I did this one and the other one the other day. So this is what we got going. And as you all can see, this kale right here, this kale, it's still been growing. I think I planted this like last summer and it's still bearing. Like I harvested it and it done grew back. It's been raining, so it grew back quick. You can't even notice I harvested it, you know? So that's why you know it's life food. It's life, you know? It's alive. So, you know, the Empress, she's just going to go ahead and, you know, weed out this bed so that more nutrients can come to the kale. You know, we want the nutrients to go to the kale, not the weeds. So that's what she's going to be doing over here. And then me, I'm going to just continue with this bed right here. And when we get to a certain point, we're going to go ahead and put this soil that we just mixed on top of the beds. One perfect love.
All right, so what I just finished doing is weeding out everything around this kale down here. Yes. So yeah, so you want to make sure you weed out everything around your plants, because this can affect the growth of your fruits or vegetables or whatever you have that's growing. So make sure you weed your plants.
Just like that. We out here. All right, family. So in this bed, I'm definitely thinking about cabbages. You know, just so y'all can see the height of this bed. And then I'm gonna put this soil on top, going straight back. And I'm gonna leave a lot of these beds back here for the summer. So watermelon, okra, peppers, tomatoes, all that. Yum, yum. Everything back there. So, you know, soon come, we coming. Right. Give thanks and praise for life. So these are the vibes right now. These are the beds. So, you know, the Empress, she has finished up with the kale. And what I'm gonna do now is in this bed, we're talking about some cabbages for sure. I got some sage, some kale, so some spring greens. So this is what's gonna go on right now, you know? Yeah, so, you know, we gonna wait till the summer for, you know, the watermelon, okra, and, you know, tomatoes, peppers, all those warm temperature foods. Right. But we're gonna go ahead and just start pouring the soil on top of this one. So let's get into it.
Get it in.
All right, so we just pouring this on top. And this is what we're gonna plant our cabbages in. So it's gonna grow in this for a little minute, and then it's gonna hit the red clay. You just go ahead and pour all that in there. Yeah, so right now I'm going behind it with the pick, and I'm just making sure I got the mounds, because you want to make sure your mounds are firm when it rains, so that the mounds don't get, you know, all messed up and everything. So you want to make sure that it's firm. And I got the bed of the mushroom compost and garden soil on top, and this is what we're gonna grow it in. And you see, if my finger was a plant, you see how easy that goes down? So the plants ain't gonna be stressing trying to grow in there. So that's how we did that.
So what we're planning now is like salad mixture, gourmet greens, like a greens mixture. And what I'm gonna do, I just already I call it sprinkling. I already put some seeds down right here, and you're just gonna go all the way down your lines with your seeds. And that's it.
So yeah, you see those red circles? Those are the cabbage. And see more. Boom. Yeah, so you know, we definitely got the food in and everything, so we just want to come through, wrap it up, and I give thanks for your presence out there, Empress. Blessed love.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, so definitely grow your own food. Your health is your wealth. Know yourself, love yourself, one perfect love. Y'all already know, gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding.
Oh, I do want to say, ladies, if you plan on working in the garden, weeding out some things, make sure you get some gloves to protect your hands and your nails.
True. Yeah, we had came across like some pokey weeds and things like, yeah, be careful, you know, safety. So yeah, one perfect love, family, blessed. Appreciate y'all for watching.